friends, welcome to Mindfulness Fridays. For Earth Week this week, we're going to be making kindness stones. These are stones that you can leave outside with messages or symbols or some way of connecting with people without physically being close by to them. I've seen lots of them in my neighborhood. Maybe you've seen the same. So I went outside in my backyard and I found some stones. I chose ones that have flatter surfaces so then I don't have to wiggle my paintbrush quite as much. It's a nice smooth surface for painting. And my first step after finding these rocks outside is I washed them under the sink with some water, dried them off, and then I decided which side of my stone I was going to be painting on. And on that side, I painted my surface white. I just find that this helps to make either your symbol stand out and really pop, or you can also then choose to do a totally new color on top of the white. And sometimes having that background of white just really helps your color to really stand out as opposed to just doing it on the stone. Up to you though. The paints that I'm going to be using today are acrylic paints. I have my primary colors here. So we have red, yellow, and blue, and then some white and black. And from there, we're able to mix whatever color we want. We can go over that when we move on to the painting. I also have some brushes, some different sizes. My brushes are small because my rocks are small. Some water that I'm gonna use between switching colors. And I also have a pencil if I wanna test out my design on either a piece of paper or on my rock itself before painting it. And then I have some cardboard down on my table. It's important to keep in mind that acrylic paint that we're using to put our rocks outside does not come out of clothes, okay? It doesn't come out of clothes, and it doesn't necessarily come out of some furniture as well. It will come off of your skin if you wash your hands or have a shower or something like that. But we just want to be mindful about what our acrylic paint is touching. So as I said, you can do some symbols that don't need words. You can write words instead. I've seen a lot of rainbows around if you want to do something like that. So my first step is going to be thinking about what I want to let other people know around me. Maybe you want to do this activity with mom or dad or someone else in your house too. And you can think of what you want to be sending out into your community. Okay, so I've started painting one of my rocks, but now I'm looking to switch to a color that I don't have here. The color I'm looking for is orange. So to make orange, I'm gonna take a scoop of my red, scoop of my yellow, and mix, mix, mix together. Okay. Let's just take a little bit more yellow. Awesome. Now I'm ready to keep going. We're just gonna keep painting. Sometimes it's nice when you're painting with someone else. Then you can have a discussion about what you're painting, maybe why you're painting it. Is it for someone? Also, if you don't have a space outside that you want to put your rock, or if you're using tempera paint, which won't necessarily stay forever, not that a message needs to stay forever, but if you're looking to keep it inside, tempera paint works just right. And that's okay too if you want to hold on to your rock. I really like holding rocks sometimes, especially if they have messages on them. I feel like you can feel them inside. What's really nice is that if you are painting your rock with someone else, yours can look totally different than that other person's too, because it's yours. Right, I'm looking to switch colors again. I'm looking for a green, so I'm scooping some blue, scooping some yellow. So move some of that yellow. Sometimes it's nice experimenting and mixing your own colors. Then you get to decide really what it's gonna look like. And there's my green. All right, there you have it. That is how I've been doing kindness rocks. So you can have words on them. You can have pictures. Different messages that you're feeling or you want someone else to feel too. Ta-da! Enjoy, guys. Hope you enjoyed. I'd love to see yours. Please check out our Instagram page, send us a message, and let us know how your kindness rocks turned out. Be sure to check out next week for some more videos. Bye, guys.